Welcome everyone. In this video today, we are going to look at moving files from our computer into Google Drive file stream. So there's two ways we can do this. We can drag and drop, or we can copy and paste. So as you'll see on the left, I have a folder open that's my documents folder, same as your documents folder would be on your computer. On the right, I've already opened up my Google Drive file stream and have gone to the folder that I want to copy things into. This is going to have the same folders and files that you would have on your Google Drive if you open up your Google Drive. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the file that I want to move in there, and I'm going to click copy. Then I'm going to move all the way over here to my other drive, which you may have in a totally different window in a different way. I'm going to right click, I'm going to press paste. It's that easy. This is now in your Google Drive. It'll sync up to Google Drive and you'll be able to access it from anywhere. Now I'm just going to quickly delete this file so I can do this again. Now the other way I can do this is simply by taking it and dragging it from one all the way over to the other, and you'll see a little pop-up that'll say copy to Windows 10 training resources. I let it go, and now it is also copied into there. I hope that this is an informative video on how to move and how to copy and paste files into Google Drive file stream from your computer.